We are now going to be learning about the skeletal system. The skeletal system has many interesting facts. It is made up of bones and cartilage, which is similar to bones, that forms the framework of your body. We also have bones so that we're not a puddle of skin and guts on the floor. As a baby, you have 300 bones, and as you get older, you only have 206. So what do you think happens to those bones as you get older? They don't just disappear. They actually fuse or join together with other bones and make one bone. And so therefore we end up with 206 bones as you get older. Let's take a look inside the bone. Inside the bone is made up of salts, water, and tissue. Inside the bone, there's also a jelly-like substance called bone marrow. And this red bone marrow is what produces our blood cells. For example, our red blood cells and white blood cells, as well as platelets, are formed in our red bone marrow. The purpose of our skeletal system is really important because there are 4 main purposes. The first, of course, is to give our body shape. Remember, if we didn't have our bones, we'd be like a puddle of guts on the floor. It also helps protect our organs. As you know, we have so many important organs in our body, and so it's important that our bones are protecting them at all times. And as we just learned in our muscular system, our bones also work with our muscles to help us move, most important. And then inside of our bones, we also produce those red blood cells and white blood cells. So that is the 4th purpose, to make blood cells. There are many bones that give our body shape. Can you think of any? As you may have guessed, all of our bones give our body shape. Our spine, our arms and legs, pelvis, ribs, and skull, they all help give our body a framework, shape, and form. What about bones that protect our organs? Think about that. What are some of the most important organs that we have in our body? As you may have guessed, our ribs are important. What do you think they protect? Our lungs, of course, and our heart, some of the most important organs we have in our body. Our skull up here protects our brain, also very important. And our pelvis down here helps protect our digestive system, our large intestine and small intestine. So these bones are most important: our skull, our ribs, and our pelvis. And which bones do you think help you move? Again, all of them. Specifically, our spine and our back helps us bend over and turn side to side. Our legs and feet, of course, help us move and walk. Our arms and hands help us lift things. Our hips help us bend over as well. And then our shoulders can move as well so that our arms can move in different directions. So all of the bones in our body are really important. I hope you enjoy learning about the skeletal system. Be sure to watch the other videos that go along with these slides.